Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Science and Tech Reviews. And so our today's topic is Web 3.0 and what is actually Web 3.0. But stop there. There's something more you must know about Web before jumping toward Web 3.0. So in order to discuss what is actually Web 3.0, you must know about Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. So if we search what is Web 1.0 on some search engine, we'll find that it is known as read-only web. It means that it was created for the people who were interested in reading some static content. We can take some websites that have some historical content in them as an example of Web 1.0. So now we're going to discuss some characteristics of Web 1.0. So it doesn't provide us much fascinating features as of Web 2.0 and Web 3.0. So it's made up of static pages connected to a system via hyperlinks. It has HTML 3.2 elements like frames and tables. That is quite much older version of HTML. The content comes from the server's file system, not from a relational database management system. And the fourth one is that it has some GIF and graphs. So now we're gonna move to Web 2.0, which came up with some spectacular features like self-publishing websites, including WordPress and some social media sites. It is also known as the participative social web. So now we're going to discuss about the characteristics of Web 2.0. It has come up with the concept of rich web application and web-oriented architecture and social web. It is basically the improved version of Web 1.0. Another major change that brings in Web 2.0 is that a change of dynamic data from static data. Moreover, it employs developed application programming interface for better execution and response. It encourages social media blogging, commenting, etc. So now I'm gonna move towards Web 3.0. Now let's move towards Web 3.0, which is basically the mixture of various major concepts like decentralization. We already discussed about it, trustless and permissionless, which refers to some open source platform connectivity and ubiquity. It means that virtual connectivity. Semantic Web, it responds to the user's request by itself. Now we see Semantic Web more. Semantic Web basically refers to the processing of data by machines instead of humans. It responds to the user's request as per his/her instructions. Moreover, Web 3.0 also refers as read, write, and execute. So now we're gonna discuss some characteristics of Web 3.0. It basically incorporates the concept of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and NLP. If these concepts are combined with each other, we will get some astonishing result. So the second characteristic of Web 3.0 is that it provides us the connectivity between multiple devices and application through the IoT, which is a major technology we will see in future. And the third one is trustless, and the fourth one is permissionless. We have studied both of them in open source platform. Both of these refer to the open source platform. So example number 1 is Helium HNT. Example number 2 is River Flux, and number 3 is Filecoin FIL. All of these belongs to cryptocurrencies. So now we have some background of Web 1.0, which was introduced in 1991, Web 2.0 2004 to present, Web 3.0 ongoing but not fully established. So today we have covered some major topics related to web like Web 1.0, Web 2.0 and Web 3.0.